Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420i M Sport Gran Coupe in Snapper Ox Blue. So alongside that fantastic exterior colour, we've added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit to the car, and included in that is a brand new set of 20-inch 795 M style alloy wheels that come with brand new tyres all the way around. The car itself is a 2019 19 plate, so it is of course a facelift model, and I'll point out some more details about that as we make our way around. Down the side of the car, as well as that very nice exterior colour, you'll see the gloss black air breathers from BMW, our satin side vinyls, gloss black sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals, and the car does also come with the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. Moving through to the interior, which again is a very nice contrasting black Dakota leather, which in the front does come with both the heated electric lumbar option, and it has got the superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in this car. Moving on to show you the rear seats, well, we'll have a nice fixed 3-seat rear bench, central folding armrest, and of course that lovely darkened M Sport headlining once again. Moving round towards the rear, not before showing you again those fantastic ferric grey 795 M style alloys. At the back, again, introduction for the facelift was the sharpened LED rear lights, and we've gone for a satin spoiler and a high gloss rear diffuser. Automatic opening and closing tailgate, which then, as you can see, reveals a huge boot space. You can make that even bigger because you can remove both the top, bottom partial shelves along with split folding seats. Round onto the driver's side, where again you can see how well the Snapper Ox Blue does work with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, alongside being a very clean and tidy example. And I shall now go on and take a seat inside the car to, of course, just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more depth. Starting, of course, with the professional wide navigation and media screen. Of course, being a facelift car, it does also include some facelift items on that screen. One of which being a really fantastic feature, and I shall go straight into that now. So we're going to connected drive, and you will see there it has got Amazon Alexa. So if you're familiar with your Alexa, i.e. your home ones, it's exactly the same. However, this one is in your car, so it's even more useful in my opinion. Connect a mobile device to it, and then enable it by clicking your voice command button on your multi-function M Sport steering wheel, and you can use it for the exactly the same convenient functions that a normal Alexa device will give you. We've also got the flappy paddles for that tremendous 8-speed, cruise control, speed limiter, of course the voice button we spoke about, and volume controls over here. The car itself's covered just over 17,000 miles. We've also of course got sat nav, which utilises real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Bluetooth for both audio and telephone, and a huge amount of multimedia inputs as well, including both DAB, music collection, USB and AUX inputs. And of course down here, you may have already spotted it, we've got dual climate control and the switches for our lovely heated seats. And going through into service requirements for the car, of course being a 2019 plate, the first service is not due for 14,000 miles time. However, we've got a service on board for the pre-delivery inspection service. So once again, thank you for taking the time to watch our walk around video here at Your Next Car of another fantastically presented 420i M Sport Gran Coupe. And as always, if you do want some more information, we'll happily answer anything we can. You can of course give us a call. Contact information is always in the description, along with a link to our website, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.